how to make money on Polymarket. So I'll explain how Polymarket works and some strategies. So Polymarket is a decentralized prediction market where you can make a trade prediction on the outcome of real world events. So if you want to make money on Polymarket, you need to understand how it works, like I said. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, like I said, you buy shares in outcomes, for example, yes or no, or for a specific price. The final payout depends on the actual event outcome. How does it work? Your shares trade between $0 and $1. And for example, if yes, shares are trading at 60 cents, a $1 payout will occur if yes happens. Conversely, no shares would trade at 0.40 cents and holders receive $1 if no happens. Profits are made by buying low and selling high, or holding winning shares until the market resolves. So here's a step-by-step guide on how you can set up an account. First, you have to create a Polymarket account, deposit funds using a supported stable coin like USDC or other methods available on the platform, and you want to familiarize yourself with the transaction fees and potential gas fees if you're using the blockchain-based version. And how can we win? You want to analyze markets, so research active markets. Will candidate X win the election? Will the temperature in city X exceed 90 degrees Fahrenheit on a specific date? You want to look for markets where you have unique knowledge or insights, such as niche sports, politics, or tech events. And you can also use external resources like polls, news, and statistics to make informed bets. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.